next live Facebook video session. I am Kishore, Maths and Science tutor. This session has been specially curated for you. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section and I'll be clearing them all for you. In the last Facebook video session, you all got to know how to memorize the 30 standard trigonometric angles values under 3 minutes. If any of you have missed watching the video, please visit our Facebook video page to watch the video. So students, in our today's session, you will get to know how to find the square of a number under 20 seconds which are closer to bases like 100 and 1000. For example, if you have to find the square of 98 square, 104 square, this technique will be very helpful. So in our today's session, we'll see how to find the square of a number which are closer to bases like 100 and 1000. So to find the squares of such numbers, let us take first a very simple example. Let me take an example of 12 square. Let us see what is the value of 12 square. Now 12 is closer to the base 10. So first let us write 12. Now 12 is 2 more to our selected base, that is 10. So it is 2 more than our selected base, that is 10. So write 2 as 2 is more than 10, which is our selected base. Now all you need to do is just square this number. 2 square is 4. That is the first step. You have to square this number. This is called as deviation. You have to find the square of the deviation, which is 4. 2 square is 4. Then to find the next set of digits, that is the numbers. So this is called as RHS part and this is called as LHS part. To find the LHS, all you have to do is just add these two numbers. 12 plus 2, that is 14. Now 144 is the square of 12 square. So this is a very simple technique to find the square of a number. Now let us take one more example which is closer to the base 100. So let's take 98 square. So let's try to find the square of a 98. So write 98. Now 98 is closer to the base 100. By what number is 98 close to the base 100, or by what number is there is a difference between our base and the selected number? That is minus 2. So 98 is 2 less than our base, that is 100. Now what you have to do is square this number. 2 square is 4, but as our selected base is 100, which has 2 zeros in it, the number whichever you write over here must contain that many digits. If there are 2 zeros, there has to be 2 digits. If our selected base is 1000, this number has to be there. RHS part has to be 3 digits. Now 2 square is 4, but as our base is having 2 zeros, this has to be written as 0, 4. Now to find the LHS part, now this is the RHS whose value is 4. Now to find the LHS part, what you have to do is just subtract 98 with 2. 98 minus 2 is 96. That's it. 9604 is the square value of 98. Let us take one more example. Let us take 108 square. Let us try to find the value of 108 square. Now write 108. Find the deviation. Now here our base is 100. By what value 100 is more compared to 100? That is 8. Write the deviation. This is called as deviation number. Find the RHS part and the LHS part. As our base contains 2 zeros, this must contain 2 digits. Now 8 square is 64. Write that. Now 108 plus 8 is 116. That is 116. That's it. The value of 108 square is 11664. So students, don't you think that this technique is so simple to find the square of a number? Okay, now let us take one more example which is closer to the base 1000. Let us take 993 square, which is closer to the base 1000. Now write 993. Now the deviation from 993 and 1000 is minus 7. As 1000 minus 993 minus 1000 is minus 7. Find the square of this number. 7 square is 49. Write that in the RHS part. And let us find the LHS part. But students, remember that as our base is 1000, which has 3 zeros, this RHS part must contain 3 digits. As 7 square is 49, we can fill the other digit with 0. Now 993 minus 7 is 986. Now the square of 993 is 986,049. That's it. This is how you find the square of a number which is close to the bases like 10, 100 and 1000. So students, like this, it is very simple to find the square of a number which are closer to 100 and 1000 bases. So please apply this technique whenever you see in your maths curriculum. So students, that was all from today's session. Hope you all had an enriching experience. We'll again see you next week with an equally exciting video. This Facebook Live video was brought to you by VidyaNext. VidyaNext is an educational platform which purely focuses on the cumulative development of a child. You can find us in Gurgaon and Bangalore. For further information, click on the link given below. Thank you.